Tonight, police say they have discovered what may be the body of 34-year-old Justin Haden. Haden was reported missing from his apartment in the Domain at the beginning of November.
KVUE's Ford Sanders joins us now here in the studio. And Ford, you spoke with an expert about the investigation and what could be next in this case.
Absolutely. Well, Brian tweeted that major development coming today after police say the body they believe belongs to Haden was found in jail near Ronald Reagan Boulevard and I-35. Now, 26-year-old Gavin Roberts was charged November 23rd near Denver, Colorado for tampering with physical evidence of a human corpse. Investigators in this case say they found blood on the walls and bed of Justin Haden's apartment, something that was previously thought to be wine by APD officers. On a phone call with APD, Roberts reportedly admitted to spending the evening with Haden the night of November 1st. Roberts even said he left the apartment with bags and a bin, which surveillance video captured. However, court documents show Roberts claimed to have no knowledge of Haden's whereabouts. Today, investigators found the body, so the question remains of how Roberts could have been charged with tampering with physical evidence of a human corpse days ago.
It would be very, very rare to charge somebody with an offense of tampering with a corpse before there was, in fact, a corpse or some type of independent proof showing that an individual had met their demise in some type of criminal fashion.
Former Travis County District Court Judge Charlie Baird says it's more likely for someone to be charged with tampering with physical evidence alone. He says this allows for the defendant to be held in jail while evidence is gathered and the investigation continues.
Maybe there was even more evidence developed on the telephone call that was not disclosed in the probable cause affidavit, or upon his arrest, he made some type of inculpatory statements that would give rise to the belief that there's probable cause that this individual had met his demise.
Now, the arrest affidavit states when officers began to question Roberts over the phone, he claimed he had a meeting and had to go, then ended the call. Now, the body found today is now in the hands of the Travis County Medical Examiner's Office. Once that ID comes back from the autopsy, police will be able to confirm whether or not it belongs to Haden. Like with any criminal investigation, depending on what police discover in their investigation, it's possible that Roberts could face additional charges. Quita, Brian.
KVUE's Ford Sanders live here in the studio tonight. Thank you, Ford.